This is the BRIGHTLINE Premium Experience from Fort Lauderdale to Orlando. From the food to the lounge to everything on board. But the real question is it actually worth the price? Let's find out on this episode of leverageboss TV. Good morning, Leverage Nation, back again with another one. I don't know. Today we're doing something different. We're going Orlando, but today we're going to take the BRIGHTLINE train. Yeah, right now to Orlando. That's approximately take like 3 hours. And so right now we're in Fort Lauderdale. So approximately right now it's currently 7:43. I have a 8:30 flight, right? So first time. So I want to see if it worth the experience or it worth the money, because I feel like 120. That right now it's currently Saturday, and feel like $120 for your ticket from Tuesday. So for premium, that are the premium thing, you see me? Basically first class, whatever, for go. And you get all the amenity them. So we're going to check out the station right now and check out the lounge and see how the experience and see what's going on. You see me? So here we go. Leverage.
Que viajan en el tren número 5509 con destino sur hacia Miami, con parada en Aventura, que sale a las 7:42 am desde la vía 2. Por favor, diríjase a la plataforma. Gracias por elegir BRIGHTLINE y disfrute el viaje.
Yes, alright, to say you're board.
Bom dia, passageiros da BRIGHTLINE. Esta é a chamada final de embarque para todos os passageiros da BRIGHTLINE.
I don't know where I'm going right now.
Trem número 5.
Yes, question. I purchased a ticket for Orlando. I don't.
See ticket? $8:30. This is your ticket going upstairs, second floor to check in, please.
Oh, upstairs to confirm and upstairs to confirm.
Upstairs, yes. Upstairs.
Where's the lounge?
After security area, going to the right. That is pretty much.
Okay, so that's all right. Thank you. Yeah, so Leverage Nation will go up there, check out the place. All right, thank you. So apparently them have coffee and Danish and all them things there. A little light room, nothing crazy. Little look on the whole room. Tastes good, man. Is this a coffee machine? What's this?
This is beer. There's coffee.
Oh, beer. Oh, okay.
The coffee's around the corner.
Oh, yeah, I know. I got
Okay.
already. I thought it was another one right there.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so, I noticed, I forgot to say it's just one train come at a time, so you don't have to worry which train you're supposed to take, because it's a train and a plane, so, yeah. So that's the thing, too. FYI. Yeah. It's breaking up. Oh my god. Just stay on the other place. Sorry. Hold on. Like this.
Boca Raton and West Palm Beach, departing at 8:30 a.m. from track 2. Please proceed downstairs to the platform and remain behind the yellow line at all times.
That I mean, leverage nation. Track
Heavy
2.
luggage or assistive devices, feel free to use the elevators as needed.
That's kind of the ramp.
Thank you for choosing BRIGHTLINE. Buenos días, pasajeros de BRIGHTLINE.
So,
El abordaje para todos los
hopefully I'm gonna
pasajeros
miss it.
del tren número 5712 con destino
So-
norte hacia Orlando, con paradas en Boca Ratón y West Palm Beach, que sale a las 8:30 a.m. de la vía 2, ya está abierta. Por favor, baja la plataforma y permanece siempre al lado de la línea amarilla. Los pasajeros con carriolas, equipaje pesado o dispositivos de asistencia pueden usar los ascensores según sea necesario. Gracias por elegir BRIGHTLINE.
Passageiros da BRIGHTLINE. O embarque está aberto para todos os passageiros do trem número 7.
Yeah, so right now, the lounge was alright. They have all of the bagel, egg, and all of them something there, hash brown. When I see it beer, well, a little quick thing. So then say track 2 out here, so now.
Então, serve o parque para usar os elevadores conforme necessário. Obrigado por escolher a BRIGHTLINE.
So I guess it only stop 3 places. Boca, one other place, and then Orlando. I got ask.
Coaches 9 and 10 down here, 8 to 1, all the other side. Coaches 9 and 10 down here, 8 to 1, the other side.
Oh, the other side? Okay. Sorry.
Traveling on train number 5712, heading north to Orlando with stops in Boca Raton and West Palm Beach, departing at 8:30 a.m. from track 2. Please proceed to the platform. Thank you for choosing BRIGHTLINE and enjoy the ride. Buenos días, pasajeros de BRIGHTLINE. Este es el último llamado para todos los pasajeros de BRIGHTLINE que viajan en el tren número 5712 con destino norte hacia Orlando, con paradas en Boca Ratón y West Palm Beach, que sale a las 8:30 am desde la vía 2. Por favor, diríjase a la plataforma. Gracias por elegir BRIGHTLINE y disfrute del viaje.
Bom dia, passageiros da BRIGHTLINE. Esta é a chamada final de embarque para todos os passageiros da BRIGHTLINE viajando no trem número 5712 rumo norte para Orlando, com paradas em Boca Raton e West Palm Beach.
Where's one?
Eight is all the way down on the other side.
One area.
Coach 1, all the way down here.
Okay, go to all.
Going to Orlando,
Yeah.
track 2.
So I guess me have to do all the way down here, so we're gonna see where I go and wait on the train, you know. We'll show you when the train are coming. Because the music I play, I don't really want to get copyright, so you know. Kinda mash up me, but I'll try to work with it, isn't it? Alright, so you train forward now. So we're gonna see where I go on. So we are going safe for the right time, the point. I'm trying to look for my seat. Is it that one right there?
You're in coach 2. So this
So
is going to be
one?
one coach down that way and this seat right here, but one coach down that way. It's the window seat in the next coach.
Okay, thank you. All right, thank you. Yeah, so different.
Welcome
Check
aboard.
out it.
Please take a moment to review the safety card in the seat back pocket. This card provides important information about emergency exit locations, evacuation procedures, and what to do in the event of an emergency. Scan the QR code at exit.
Por favor, tome un momento para revisar la tarjeta de seguridad ubicada en el bolsillo de respaldo del asiento frente a usted. Esta tarjeta contiene información importante sobre las salidas de emergencia, los procedimientos de evacuación y qué hacer en caso de una emergencia. Escanee el código QR en su asiento para ordenar comida, bebidas y artículos de viaje que serán entregados directamente a usted. Los menús también se encuentran en el bolsillo del asiento.
Question.
Lavender anytime.
How many stops we got till Orlando? How many stops do we
Orlando?
make? Yeah.
We still have Boca Raton,
Yeah.
West Palm.
Oh, that's it. Two more stops?
Yeah,
Okay.
they're very short stops. So.
Okay. Okay.
Anything to eat for you guys? I have strawberry Greek yogurt, fruit, banana bread, cookies, kind bars, muffins.
I'll have a yogurt.
Okay. It's strawberry, that's okay.
Yes.
It's cantaloupe, grapes, and pineapple. Cantaloupe, grapes, and pineapple. And it's coconut or caramel.
Caramel. Can I do fruit?
Coming through with that one too. I just had the hand towels, but I'll bring you. I'll bring you that. Okay, thank you. Of course. Anything to eat?
What do you have? Cookie? I'll just take a cookie.
A cookie?
Yeah. Alright, thank you.
You got it. All right, go. Very good.
Yeah, so apparently, you know, it's just gonna be like 2 stops before Orlando. So Boca and Palm Beach, they'll go straight to Orlando. So I go sister, so we get the cookie.
Yeah, I want to use that. They don't charge you unless you want something upgrade. But there's a lot of company around. So I wonder more about the food. Just like, okay, so in terms of like
water.
sandwiches and stuff, those more for purchase.
All this.
Okay, just let you know that you like things that on the they might have shut it down for premium just so we can
Okay,
use the
Joanne.
POS system. But if you'd like to order anything, just let me know.
And towel, you know.
Sandwich.
So look, man, still in a Fort Lauderdale. Yeah, so check it. Yeah, so there are Boca. Check out our Boca look.
Alright guys, have a good day. Thank you. They're open now, thank you.
And just take a Prips.
Don't take too long, sir.
No, I ain't going nowhere. Yeah, so right just at the end.
Attention all BRIGHTLINE guests, Bright Red will be departing north to West Palm Beach with its final stop in Orlando. Please confirm you're getting on the correct train to your destination. Once again, we are heading north to West Palm Beach.
Okay.
Please hang good, close the doors, please hang good.
So this was the Boca stop, you know? Yeah. So next stop, West Palm. Yeah. Bathroom look fairly good, watch it. Call it. Sink water. You have me. You have me. But me answer no. Rain train kind of shaky, but I mean overall so far the train are going good. Go in our lounge. Lounge would clean and alright. Up there, so the premium, clean and them friendly and all that stuff. So I don't know, I try to see if I can go in the other cabin then and walk through and show you how it's stay. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm going to try. But yeah, a fair play. It good so far. Train kind of bumpy and already, but the next stop, I think we're going to stop in Palm Beach, West Palm Beach. Yeah, so after that man. Oh, sorry. Is it okay to walk through the cabins?
Yeah, you should be okay. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just be mindful as we move. Sometimes we jump tracks. Just be steady.
Alright, thank you. Yeah. Very good. Hello. So it looks like the regular part. Kind of bumpy. Bump in a hurry, reach a cabin 6. Oh, somebody in there, so. Reach a 7. Restroom and same thing. Same place. So basically all of them are the same thing. Well, I'm not going to say all. But now the cabin are the same. They are 8 right now, so I don't know, we can test the bathroom here. So the same thing, man. Clean. Basically the same setup. walk through 9, you know. Whoops. Sorry. I guess this is the end of the trail. No, this is the end of the cabins, right?
Yes.
Okay, just asking, just checking.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Yeah, so that's at the end of the cabin 10.
It doesn't make sense. No,
Yeah, so our 10 cabin walkthrough, basically, well, the sunlight I beat the button, but basically, bathroom them are the same, them clean and so you don't really say, business class, first class. It's a premium business class. You see me? So the train to Orlando only 3 stops. So it's a nice clean train and comfy. Right now this is the where I call this now, the little rest stop where you can relax. You go like that. Right there, so it's done. I have a seat right here, so go on cabin 9, you know? Cabin 9, so 1 and 2 barbecues if you know. So yeah, it's a good look, man. Right now we are exit off West Palm soon and then see what it's like. But the train ride so far it's been nice. BRIGHTLINE, it's a good job. I wouldn't say nothing too fancy, but you get the job done, you know. To me, is it worth it to pay $119? We see and find out. But I mean, all of the cabin, the only thing you really get a little leg room and like the hostess, them maybe you get more free snacks and beverages and all stuff there. We're getting a premium, but basically I think that's the difference. That's the difference. Yeah. So there, I'll wait till we arrive at West Palm. Check it out.
Brightline guests, as we prepare for our arrival to the West Palm Beach station,
Exit. Step out on West Palm Beach exit. Oh, now them people have come out to them way. Look on the exit.
Good morning, all BRIGHTLINE guests. Welcome aboard Bright Orange, headed north to Orlando. As you board, please double check your tickets to ensure you are seated in the correct coach and seat. For all small and carry-on items, please use
regular station, not too special.
Please use the luggage charts at the ends of your coaches. We appreciate your cooperation and welcome you aboard. Bright Orange will be departing to Orlando in the next minute. Please stand clear of closing doors. Please stand clear.
So the next stop, we are Orlando now. So we have approximately about an hour. Nope. Yeah, so relax right now. Grab 6. No problem.
Discard service. Anything you discard at this time? Nope, we need discard service.
Five. So I have to go back all the way up at 2. As I can see, the seat them more smaller in the other cabin them. And it starts from 3, you get some premium. So premium, you get bigger seats and more leg room, you know. Oh, I guess they call it smart. Smart, cause see 4 smart there. No, if you can see it. Smart underneath the 4. Yeah. Nice experience so far. So yeah, try them. Duck belly, milk chocolate chunk, soft and chewy cookie. Try it. Soft and chewy for real. Chocolate chip. Chocolate chicken, right? Yes, nice. Nice, good now. Recommend it. As my boy Simon will say, I say, fair play. Truck in, man. levitation, so we almost reach now. I mean, roughly 30 minutes or so left. It was a nice one. Right now I'm just going to use the bathroom. I tell you, use the bathroom. But man, can't work, man. Let me tell you one thing about the whole trip when we finish, but you know, well, easy. Just sit down here in the park there. They're almost reached now.
Oh,
I
Charlie,
think they give us
she's
some snacks, can give us apple juice.
She is amazing. Your
And
mom
some
knows her.
granola.
Oh my god, I love her. And she gets to bring her every day.
You don't take that Pepsi already from the lounge. So yeah, people.
Carbuccio. Because she teaches there.
Let's check in and see where we're going, you know. Almost there. Try out the apple juice. Feel like a little kids. More juicy juice.
Yeah.
Much do you know what? Yeah, man, I have to drink back some cold by the belly car, right? I'm going to go on the grab in the bathroom there. And pretty moving train, I had them thing there.
Except your mom. Like, there's
Ride the bike.
they see them.
Not a pretty sight. But yeah, man, we're there, man, you know. Yeah. So right now, we basically reach Orlando. At the airport today. Yeah, I guess it's at the exit. So, one thing I never showed them, I have two little tray. Them have little tray will come more right there, so. Charging port right there, so. And I have one right there, so. So yeah, about to reach now, and when we step out, we're gonna see what's going on. Oh, never shown it to you know. We have a little menu, a little BRIGHTLINE menu, but maybe I don't know because we never get enough food and kill it with snacks. But yeah, I have that. When I can't see. I guess them thing there for no? After 11. Them have them said northbound meals serve after 11 for travel from South Florida to Orlando. Grilled chicken breast and all them thing the potato salad and them thing the English cucumber feed dessert, chocolate and all them things, but them not giving none of them things there. But I guess and them have them
Welcome to
beer,
Orlando. Have a bright day.
wine by glass.
Orlando. Que tenga un día brillante.
Yeah, reach at the stop now, so yeah. I want to buy top shelf there. You have to pay for that separate, I guess. $10 on them sitting there. $30 for Don Julio 1942 tequila. But basically that. Both to reach now. But I just said the plane landing about the train. It feel like a
Negative. Now they are. Thank you.
fix the step. Alright. So BRIGHTLINE, my boy. See that BRIGHTLINE. BRIGHTLINE, see there? So they are all under now. I think all under the airport, you know. And I walk out and see. But yeah guys, the trip to me now, I'm going to go so. Would I pay for that $100 for that from Fort Lauderdale to Orlando again? Probably I will. Maybe give it an 8 out of 10. Well, 8.5 out of 10. Isn't it? Because knowing they may argue too much, but they don't have no TV, they don't have nothing. I mean, they have Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi work good, so that's a plus. So we go up there, so. They say don't be lazy and take the stairs. Don't be lazy and take the stairs. Go up the stairs, go up the stairs. Oh, see it there? I'm saying that we are here. We are here. Tampa. Oh, exit.
What? Yeah.
Yes, this is the exit. Oh, that here Orlando airport right now. Try to find the exit because come like this is a task. This way is the exit, right?
Pick it up?
Exit, this is the exit?
Yeah, all the way down to level 1.
Level 1, okay, thank you. Let me tell you, let me say, it was alright, it's clean and everything. Nothing for one thing they never really have now. I'm cheap, the seat never recline. Never like that, but it gave leg room. The difference between, maybe, what am I saying now? Me would pay every time, I would think I would have paid that the money for that because it's not a big difference because the seat them alright and I like say then give more people to sit down with. And the same thing, somebody sit down beside you and the same thing, but I guess less space. But I mean you can't put money for your comfortability. You know the word I say. So it is what it is. It's not really worth it, but if you want to spend it, it's not that much anyways if you're working person and you want to save money. So you just do the do, man. But yeah, overall me get a, like I said, me get a 8.5 out of 10. Yeah, so we're outside and we're done with it. So that's for it, people in Orlando. Take the train. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Until next time, I don't know. You know the leverage nation. But wait. I'm sure you won't forward to me because then later in a Jamaican time I'm work on it. So I'm not sure that. So you know a thing go. Watch where I go on. So I just there go and wait. But like I say, although I'm going to review already. Whoa, what the arms there? Arms heavy, man. Arms are heavy. But like me I say still, finish gate. 8.5, it was a good trip. Just depends on who want. Depends on what we want take, you know? Because like man tell you say, yo, I just snacks with the engine and juice and whatever, multiple juice, orange juice, water, whatever and thing, but you have a charging port, you have Wi-Fi. Yeah, I say leverage nation. You know. Buy it in I think earlier in the launch of Fort Lauderdale and I think say I want biscuit and egg. I'm gonna eat egg from all long. Belly hack up. So unravelly, gravelly in the bathroom, then I tell you. I want to say, me the day I flush, we're not bad enough. Too much information, right? But yeah, man, without there, man, we give it a good BRIGHTLINE in the phone and take it to a good tune. And you see where it consists of, you know? But yeah, man, just there, wait for the ride for forward and then end it right this way, you know? So, yeah, man. Yeah, so after 40 minutes now, we can't tell Jamaicans. For forward for you know, so we're there now, and that's how it feels like you don't know. I don't 40 minutes. You don't know anything they want to say. We can't show you it now, but you don't know anything. Until next time, remember to like, share, and subscribe. You know, leverage. Until the next.